I'm going to show you a unique product. It's not mine. Mine is the jacket that I wear from the inside. This is not mine. This is why you may see that it is quite bigger, quite big for me. It's not my size. My size normally is medium. This is an XL, extra large size. Okay. Airbag, SPIDI, DPS, airbag vest. 100% important to save your lives in case of an accident. I'm going to show it to you first. I'm going to lower it like this so you can see it. Front side. Here nothing, only from this side. See here? Okay. This is from my jacket. I'm going to close it so you don't get confused about what is airbag and what is not. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Here it has one strap. Second strap. Released. In the front we can see the canister. In here it is the canister with the air. Here it is. In here there is the air that is needed so that the vest can be poof, blown. Here, here and in the back and also in the neck. Very important, in the neck. It is a 45 grams canister. Here, this red plastic, when you are on motorcycle and you are using the airbag, it has to be to the upper space, as it is right now. I'm not moving it up and down, up and down. I always use it in the lower position, in the upper position, always ready to go. In case the airbag vest it is open, it is full with air, this can be replaceable. You can buy a new one and the airbag can be used again. I will show you this, how it can be used. It's supposed to be here and it's going to be attached to a cable which I have it here on this scooter Yamaha Max. I'll show you later. Let's see the details of the life vest first. This is how it looks from the inside. Okay, we close it. I forgot to tell you, it's easy if this has been used, if the vest has been used and you have to change the air canister, it's easy and adjustable with a screw. Very easy. Let's close again. Here, high visibility marks. As you can see, it is European style. Showing you again. This has a special way to close and you adjust it. As I told you before, this is not my size. Okay, it is XL. I should have medium. It's not mine. I'm just using it for the video. I'm going to take it out, not wear it anymore. I'll show you here. when it explodes, this is the back of your neck. This, it's going to be full of air. If I'm going to open this, this is going to be filled with air, so you protect your neck. Here it has some warnings: do not open. And of course we don't have to open, it is forbidden. These are only to be opened when you will have to send them to SPIDI. Maybe you want to change something, maybe the airbag is open and you have to fix it again so you can use it for the next time. And this is why they have these safety marks here: don't open. Okay. The neck protection, again, here it has high visibility marks. The neck protection is very important. Also the protection here low, where are our kidneys and our back. Totally, for sure, our back. I know it's not a cheap vest, but imagine that it can save your life. It has also adjustable from the inside. Okay, you can do it like this and put it and make it as relaxed or more tight as you want, so it can fit you properly. This is how it looks from the inside. Here at the bottom, see, it is soft. The kilos, not so heavy. I don't think it is over 1 kilo, 1.5 approximately. This is the SPIDI Air DPS air vest. So let's see how we can adjust it on our motorcycle. I'm going to wear it again. This, I'm going to show you now. Let me zoom a little bit. I'm sorry. Okay. This is from the this is a compartment from the air safety pin. You click like this, okay? You see? Now I can go. Now I cannot go. You can understand. So, in case of a fall, I am on the motorcycle. I am here on the motorcycle. In case of a fall, I will leave the motorcycle and fall to the ground. So this, it stretches a lot and it makes this air canister to open this, and the airbag is full with air all over. All over, here, in the back, in the kidneys, in the side. So I'm totally protected. It's not going to open, you see, in a light move, because I stretch it lightly. It's going to explode when a big stretching is going to be done to this cable. Okay. I have to remember whenever I step out of the motorcycle to do this. Lock and unlock. It's going to be a part of my everyday use. As we are on the car and we wear our seat belt, I have to get used to do this move whenever I'm on the motorcycle. And believe me, you don't have to have a big motorcycle to wear to buy this airbag vest. It's going to be critical for your life. Okay, I'm going to zoom a little bit here to show you how you can adjust it to the motorcycle. You have to find the hard part of the motorcycle. For example, here under the seat there is a metallic circle. One moment to show you. I will try to zoom as much as I can. Okay, I'm fully zoomed now. Here, do you see this? Here, I have grabbed it from a metallic circle. It is a circle metallic, and I have grabbed it like this. And here it cannot leave. I'm zooming out, and I have it like this. I don't take it in and out. If I don't want to use it for any reason, I keep it inside. But when I use it, it stays like this, here. This was a video with the, let me zoom out a little bit more. Okay. This was a video with the airbag SPIDI DPS. I hope I gave you a lot of information and introduced you to a new product that you may have never heard of. This is how it looks again on me. One more time, I have to tell you it is not my size. This is a bigger size. It's not mine. I should buy one for me also. Strongly suggested. I know it's an expensive piece of vest. In Greece it costs around 600 euros. The refilling bottle with the air, I think it's approximately 20-30 euros, not a big expense. This, when we're talking about this vest, okay, it's a lot of money, but believe me, it's your life. So think about it.